EagleRidge UT Kitchen Remodeling Services in Saratoga Springs, Utah. EagleRidge is your trusted kitchen remodeling expert in Saratoga Springs, Utah. With over 2 decades of experience, we specialize in transforming kitchens into stylish, functional spaces. Our team focuses on customer satisfaction and delivers high-quality craftsmanship in every project. Our services range from kitchen makeovers and custom cabinetry to complete kitchen renovations. Whether it's upgrading countertops, installing new flooring, or building kitchen additions, we offer comprehensive solutions tailored to your needs. We bring your kitchen vision to life with precision and expertise. We also offer specialized services like eco-friendly remodeling, energy-efficient appliances, and smart home integration. Our team handles everything from plumbing to custom lighting solutions, ensuring your kitchen is as functional as it is beautiful. Ready to transform your kitchen? Call us today at 801-784-1457 or visit our website at EagleRidgePros.com to schedule your free estimate.